Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to hide your message notifications on Instagram. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Instagram application and then click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and then click on settings and privacy. Now click on notifications. Okay, now click on messages. Now turn off everything from here: message requests, messages, message reminders, group request, and even the broadcast channel invitations. And also, you can go to your phone's settings and then click on notifications from here. And now look for your Instagram application, then you click on it. And now you just have to toggle this switch off, okay, to turn off all the notifications. So that's it. That's how you can do it. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.